we are going to see about the chaining a line by indirect ranging. Let us fix the station A and station B. Station A and B are not intervisible to each other due to interranging high ground. Select two intermediate points C and D such that from each point both A and B are visible. Range station C from station B and adjust station D to new position D dash lies in straight line of BD dash C. Similarly, range the station D dash from station A and move station C to new position C dash lies in a straight line of AC dash D dash. Again, range the station C dash from station B and move station D dash to new position of D double dash which lies in straight line of BD double dash C dash. Similarly, range the station D double dash from station A and adjust station C dash to the new position of C double dash which lies in straight line of AC double dash D double dash. Now range station C double dash from station B and move station D double dash to the new position of D triple dash lies in the line of BD triple dash C double dash. By successive ranging and adjusting the station points, the desired straight line AC double dash D triple dash B is obtained. Measure the distance between the station points. Length between station AC double dash is 60 meter. Length between station C double dash D triple dash is 45 meter. Length between station D triple dash B is 34 meter. Distance between the station AB is 139 meters.